And many people ask me why you meditate every day 2 hours Vipassana. And my answer is simple, it's easy, because all these kind of things that I'm learning right now about yoga kundalini, asanas, hatha yoga, vinyasa, ashtanga, pranayamas, breath techniques, mudras, kriyas, chantings, all these kind of things, no? Mantras. So it's only to helping the meditate, These things are so useful. Maybe you have some blocks, maybe you have some obstacles in your way. So it's really good to remove the obstacles, to remove blocks. It's really useful things, but it's not the main things, The meditation is the highway, the main way to get the aim, to get the target, because you can't forget the target. The target is to get the freedom of yourself. Free your mind, free your body, get the enlightenment. Some people call enlightenment, other people call samadhi. In another cultures is nirvana. Jesus Christ say the Christ state, get like Buddha state or Arahant. So it doesn't matter the word. The important thing is the concept, no? So get the freedom of yourself. Go out of the matrix, no? This is the target, the aim, the final goal. So what happened? All these kind of techniques that I learned in Kundalini are really useful, but it's not the main thing. The main thing, is go sitting and practice Vipassana meditation. This is the main thing, the main way to get the target. It's like Cristiano Ronaldo have the discipline, no? Maybe Cristiano Ronaldo doesn't have the same talent than Messi, no? Messi born with amazing talent, God talent, and for sure is the most talented player in the history in the world. But what happened? Cristiano Ronaldo have the proper discipline. Cristiano Ronaldo never give up, always believing himself, always try again, with disciplines. So that's why Cristiano Ronaldo at the end get the same level of Messi, or maybe a little bit more, no? So that's why if you practice proper Vipassana, with the proper practice, little by little, you're gonna get the same. You're gonna get the enough level to get to your goal, to arrive to your goal. But you can't forget what is the way, because there are many kind of techniques. Also, there are many kind of meditation techniques. There are meditation techniques to calm the body, to calm the mind, to observe sensations, or to be equanimous. Also, there are techniques to remember past life. There are plenty of techniques, but Vipassana meditation is the technique for everything. It's the most complete technique that I learned in my life, and I know after learning many techniques, after 8 years traveling in the magic points in the world, in the magic place in the world, learning about spiritual knowledge, now I know it's the best technique that you can learn for get to the final goal, So that's why I'm teaching of Vipassana, and I focus more on Vipassana than in another techniques. For sure, it's interesting for me come here and do 500 hours teaching training of yoga, because it's useful techniques for the people that are not able to do Vipassana. So, but this kind of techniques is only to prepare the body, the nervous system, and the mind to reach Vipassana and to learn Vipassana, no? So it's important, don't forget the target, no? Here is big schedule, so intense, so I have to wake up every day 3 o'clock in the morning, and after I go to sleep, sometimes 12, sometimes 1, so I sleep 2 hours, 3 hours. I sleep little. Why? Because I continue my practice of Vipassana. For sure, I'm learning many things here. Also, Sat Karma techniques, Bandhas techniques also. So it's useful for me if I know more techniques, if I know how unblock different chakras, different part of the body. But that is the main target, no? Continue practice Vipassana and teach Vipassana to the people, because it's the main target. Also, the people can lose a lot of time thinking in chakras. Some people come to me to say, oh, Mario, I have this chakra blockage. How you know, bro? How you know? Or some people say, oh, I can't feel this chakra, or I want to feel this chakra. Oh my God, I never feel one chakra in my life. I am an advanced student of Vipassana, and I never feel one chakra. I teach and I give the Vipassana technique to more than 1,000 people, but I never feel one chakra. How you know it's the physical body, or how you know you are feeling the sensation of the astral body, no? Because all the sensations are in the physical body, no? Or sometimes you can feel something different. How you know? This kind of question, you're gonna get the answer before enlightenment, but when you are arriving to the final goal, now you are starting, you don't know how meditate. Why you spend time in this kind of advanced question? If you don't know how walk, why you want to learn how run? You're gonna fall down again and again and again. You have to learn how walk, and after you're gonna learn easy how run. Like the babies, no? Why the babies fall down? Because the babies, when they start to walk, try to run, and when try to run, boom, fall down, no? That's why, no? So first, start to walk, start to learn how meditate, start to learn all this kind of thing, and don't craving for question. Don't give power to the mind, you know, because the most important in this way is don't do nothing. When you learn and you understand what is don't do nothing, you're gonna get the most speed. It's like you are driving one car, the highway is the meditation, but the best speed, the most high speed of your car is when you don't do nothing. But it's so difficult because the mind all time want to do something, no? The mind all time want something, or craving for something, or hate something, or feel something. So it's so difficult. So by step, you're gonna get the proper control, but you don't ask for chakras, you don't ask for visualize chakras, for give power to the mind, to unblock one chakra or another chakra. Even if you don't have the proper perception of your body, you can't feel the more subtle sensations. How you gonna feel these chakras? It's so impossible, you know, but people lose time in this kind of question, in this kind of topic, and get involved in one spider net, and people lose a lot of time, lose a lot of energy, also lose a lot of money, because go to people that say, yes, I'm gonna unblock your chakra, I'm gonna give you a stone therapy for the chakra, or sound therapy for your chakras, and I'm gonna unblock all your chakras, blah, 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 blah. Cheaters, you know, cheaters. It doesn't work like that. Only you know your body, but even you don't know your body. You are the only person that can know your own body, because it's your body. That's the difference. You can feel, it's not possible to feel the body of the other person, but you feel your own body. You are the own master, your own master, but you have to learn how. You have to learn how observe in the proper way your body, and you have to learn how works your body, you know? So this is the difference, and this is your challenge, your target. So don't listen to the cheaters that only want your money. Don't spend energy and time in advanced things. Start step by step, learn how meditate, what is meditate, and after improve these kind of things little by little, no? This is the proper way, and this is that you have to do. And I'm here to help everyone. I'm here to answer every question, every doubt, and also you can hire my service whenever you want. I'm available for everyone. Right now, more than 8 years of experience. So I'm here to do the therapies, the season, to teaching Vipassana, and also I'm going to start to teaching all these Kundalini things, yoga things, everything that I learned here. Have a really nice day and be happy.